Pasa mo na sa akin, ma'am.
Video ko na lang gani.
Eh, para ibutan ko sa YouTube. YouTube channel. Oo, YouTube channel. Hello. Love y'all.
Bibidyo ko na eh.
Tawa-tawa mang tiyan. Kita niya mga lahas.
Puta yan. Sabi ko, alam ko na yun.
Ang mga lahas, ipakita. Kung kamuti ang mga ginaan.
Ang nagawa mo na.
Ang mga lahas, ipakita. Kung kamuti, ipakita ang mga lahas.
Good morning to each and everyone. We are all pleased and happy to see you all in your purple best dress. I can see all the glitters in your smiles
Nabidyo ko.
and sparkling in your eyes as we are here
Ma'am.
gathered together to celebrate this month of celebration for women with the theme We Make Change, We Work Work for Women. And with that, on our second week of activity, second Tuesday of the month, we are pleased to crown and give recognition to all the Juanas who made effort, not just only in their best dresses, but also becoming a model of change and passion and compassion to uplift the level of women. And to begin with our proclamation, and for the awarding. Alright. We would like to request Sir SDS and our Ma'am ASDS to give the honor, to give the sash and the bouquet to our lovely ladies. Ano na si Sir? Dito Sir ang awarding.
Oo, ma'am.
Wanna be.
Nakabaan sila. Ako na taning ako ni ko ng ang amo na color mo. Wala ko no. Sige. Ano ka mo video?
Oo.
Awit siya. Video gali.
Oo.
Video gali video. Video gali na pusing. Pusing.
O, ikaw naman video kay wala kuya sa TikTok.
Hello, oy. I-selfie mo.
Hindi lang ako.
Mo na oh. Selfie. Di ni gani.
Wala. Amo na gani video mo ko.
Video lang.
Dili sa piya ko kay nagakwan. Okay. Sige. Video. Gina-video ya. Oo. Dito ka naman sa piyak. Okay, wala siya ko na yung video mo. Videoan.
Okay. After a few centuries of huddling, kung sinugid bala ang mapalaron, ngay proklamar karon ni Sir Tababa. Okay, we will going to give first the green costume.
Oh.
We have the one wearing in bright silver and lavender. We have
Pamangkot ba?